Hi everyone, this is Y Square. Today we are going to create this Signal Messenger app icon with Inkscape 1.01. Before everything, just to make sure that we have the same configuration, go to File, Document Properties, Display Units has to be in Pixel, PX, and untick this checkbox because we don't need a border, and then close this window. For your information, this is the reference image. This is the hex color code, and then these are the shortcut keys I'm using quite frequently in Inkscape. So let's get started. We start by creating a circle. Go to pick this one, click and drag while pressing and holding Ctrl at the same time, somewhere around here. Press S to the select mode. Then create a little triangle here. Pick this one, choose this, 3 corners, no rounded, no randomized. Click and drag while pressing Ctrl at the same time so that you can rotate at a consistent angles like this. Press S to the select mode. I'm going to shift click this one, go to the align and distribute, align on the vertical axis, and then pick this one. Click any point outside, and I'm going to move these triangles inside the circle. While I'm moving, I'm pressing and holding Ctrl at the same time so that I can lock to the specific axis. Something like this. And then I'm going to highlight both of them, go to Path and Union. Click one more time to change the handler and then rotate this thing while pressing and holding Ctrl at the same time. 1, 2, and 3. Like this. So we have the base shape. The next thing to do is to create the stroke, the dash stroke. So go to the Fill and Stroke Pane, and Flat Color. Go to the stroke style. You can change the width pixel according to your preference. So I make it 12 here. And then you can change the dashes to this type. This one. Maybe let me change it to a little bit thinner. Somewhere around here. And then you can change the offset here by changing these numbers. Somewhere around here should be fine. And then make sure that you have the round join and butt cap here. Then I'm going to path, stroke to path. Nothing happens, but if I go to object and ungroup it, you will see there are 2 objects here. One is a stroke and one is the shape inside. Next thing to do is to click any point outside and then click this shape again to resize it. Click and drag this handler while pressing and holding Ctrl and Shift at the same time to somewhere around here. Alright, now we just need a rectangle to serve as a background. So click rectangle, click and drag while pressing and holding Ctrl at the same time. Press S to the select mode, and I'm going to remove the stroke. Go to Stroke Paint, no paint. Press D to pick color, select this color. S to the select mode. Finally, highlight both of this thing, press D to pick color, select white, press S to the select mode, shift click this one, and then align and distribute, align on the vertical axis and the horizontal axis. You can't see anything because the background is on the top. Now I'm going to lower it to the bottom. Finally, Ctrl G to group them. This is how we create Signal Messenger icon with Inkscape. So let me know if you have any question. Thank you and